I can feel that something's changing, something that I should be saying, something lying in between you and I. If I could only tell you that things are running through my head, if I could only tell you that gusto ko lang malaman mo na dapat mag-alala. Dito lang ako hanggat kailangan mo. Bago din ako, hindi mo lang alam na di lang to nagsasalita, baka makaramdam ka. Pag-ayos ka na, hindi na ako masasaktan. Pag-ayos ka na, hindi na ako masasaktan. Gusto malaman mo, yeah, yeah. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na dapat mag-alala. Dito lang ako hanggat kailangan mo. Thank you.
Mellow 947 BFM. Hello there. Welcome to the show. This is Mellow Live. My name is Anne. And this afternoon on Mellow Live, we have an artist whose voice has been part of OPM for years. From Pinoy Dream Academy to the songs that people grew up with to collaborations. And now a new personal chapter with this album called Anthems. Bugoy Drilon is here with us this afternoon. Welcome to Mellow
Hello
Live.
po. Thank you for having me here po.
Welcome to the show. Salamat
you.
ha sa oras mo ha. Alam ko
Thank you po.
busy ka with your career, with your gigs and everything. So thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you rin po for having me.
And ang ganda nung opening natin sa show with your song called Hilom,
Hilom.
'di ba? And hindi siya kumbaga parang that was released when 2004
2024 po,
24 if I'm not
yes.
mistaken, and hanggang ngayon 'di ba people like sing along to that song.
Sana mas marami pang makarinig.
Marami
ng
pa, mas
kantang
marami
to.
pang makakarinig
Mhm.
niyan. And the title itself, means healing. Anong kwento behind this song, Bugoy?
Well, actually po, yung kantang yan, when my brother diagnosed ng cancer, sabi ko, gawa nga tayo ng kanta na para pag pinakinggan ng tao or they sing along with it, parang I feel na they're also saying prayers for him to heal. Tapos nung binalikan ko yung kanta, it's actually from my own healing process as well. Na kahit na wala, nandyan pa rin lagi. So kung kailangan mo ko, parang nandito, I'm always here.
Nandyan ka lang.
Yeah,
And vice
so,
versa, I guess.
Parang
diba?
yun ang gusto ko pong ipahatid sa tao
Oo.
na no matter what happened, kung ano mo yung pinagdadaanan nyo, dadaan lang yun and you're not alone facing that.
And when you're singing that song, Hilom, does it feel like healing for you as well? Or does it make you revisit yung, the pain?
More, it's actually a beautiful pain kasi that was really, that was a great memories na never ako magre-regret na experience ko.
Right. Alam mo, Bugoy, yung boses mo, when people hear your voice, alam nila ay, si Bugoy yan, diba? You're one of those voices that people recognize immediately. But what I love about hearing you here now in the Mellow Studio, we're not just talking about the voice that people easily recognize. We're talking about the person as well. The person behind the songs and yung mga kwento behind it, di ba? And yung story mo, hindi lang siya yung simple rags to riches story, di ba? Parang ni-research ko yan yung backstory mo. And it's not just a typical rags to riches story. It's all about like forming your identity and finding your purpose in life. People know your story from Pinoy Dream Academy Season 2 back in 2008. Ang tagal na nun,
Grabe
Bugoy!
no, 18
Grabe,
years
no?
na.
Grabe, 2008. And your humble beginnings, of course, from Camarines Sur. Tama ba? Yes. But when you look back now, 18 years, di ba? What part of that younger Bugoy still lives in you?
Siguro yung ano ko po, pag hindi ako sumusuko sa any challenges, na-carry ko pa rin siya until now na kahit naman nandito na sa position na to, hindi naman naging easy. Pero as long as hindi ka nag-give up, kasi nga, you have a purpose to fulfill, then you keep going.
Kailan mo na-discover? Like, was there a particular moment or a particular story nung na-realize mo na, aba, tong boses ko na to, this is gonna change my life?
Nakakatuwa po kasi nga, di ko nga po alam kung bakit napunta ako sa music. Kasi parang, ang story pa nga po niya na I was a working student and I got terminated sa scholarship ko. Kasi I was attending seminar for Days with the Lord. Pero parang yung pag-attend ko din ng seminar parang naging way para mag-audition ako to singing competition. So parang para talaga siyang meant na gawin ko. Kasi parang I didn't know na ma-terminate ako for joining extracurricular activities, which is yung Days with the Lord. Kasi 3 days akong nag-attend ng seminar, tapos 3 days din akong hindi naka-attend ng duty ko.
Okay.
So I got terminated from my duty as a working student because nga doon seminar ako. Pero yun din yung naging way para mag-audition ako kasi there's no other options for me. So nag-audition ako for Pinoy Dream Academy. Yeah, naging singer po.
Parang ito yung parang it's like the universe guiding you na, Bugoy, dito ka. Ito yung path na kailangan mong sundin, di ba? And then look at you now. 18 years later, di ba? Ayan si Bugoy. Kala ko nga si Derek Ramsey. Pagpasok sa studio, napatingin, ay, si Derek Ramsey ba yung in-invite ko today? but Bugoy, if you could like look back and talk to your younger self, ano ang message mo sa sarili mo, like nandito na tayo ngayon, younger self?
Do not worry because you will make it.
Did you ever imagine?
Hindi po. Actually, after nung PDA, akala ko balik na ng probinsya kasi parang pag after ng competition, di ba, parang back to normal na.
But you were able to release your first album,
Yes,
diba,
po.
during that time.
Yes
yeah.
po. So, hindi ko na-expect na parang, okay, mag-change na pala yung life ko. Na parang, ito na pala yung chosen life na pinili ko. And I'm really happy na nagising agad ako ng mas maaga na yung pala yung kailangan kong gawin, which is to sing and to heal other people from music.
That's
diba?
right.
Using music.
Yeah, reaching out to other people through your songs.
Yes.
And speaking of Bugoy's music, we will have more of that Bugoy live on Mellow Live. We'll just take a quick breather. Stay with us. This is Mellow 947 BFM.
Kahit malayo na tayo, andito pa rin laging nakaabang sa iyo. Kung kailangan mo, naririto pa rin naman ako. Naririto lang ako. Pag ika'y nag-iisa, kung nalulungkot ang sumasagi sa isipan mo, na nawawala ka, hanapin kita kung saan makarating, laging susundan ka, huwag kang mag-alala. Lagi mong tatandaan na kahit malayo na tayo, andito pa rin laging nakaabang sa iyo. Kung kailangan mo, naririto pa rin naman ako. Naririto lang ako. At wag ka sanang magduda pagkat tayo'y tumanda at hindi na tayo nagkakarindigan, magkaintindihan. Di ko pa rin makakalimutan maging dito para sa'yo kahit malayo na tayo, andito pa rin laging nakaabang sa iyo. Kung kailangan mo, naririto pa rin naman ako. Naririto lang ako. Naririto lang ako. Thank you.
Mellow 947 BFM. Still tuned in to Mellow Live. My name is Anne, and we got Bugoy Drilon in the house. Hello,
Hello.
Bugoy. Hello again.
Hello, dear.
And we opened our second block with that song called One Call Away. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng lyrics. Parang
Thank you.
na-feel ko siya talaga. I mean, kahit malayo, nandito pa rin. Laging nakaabang. 'Di ba? Kung kailangan mo ako, narito lang ako. It feels like emotional availability. And this song is part of your new album
Yes, yes.
called Anthems.
Yes.
Mamaya, we're gonna touch on that. but this song feels like nandyan ka. Nandyan ka palagi. Being there for someone when they need you. You're just one call away, di ba? Are you like that talaga in real life?
Yes.
Bakit parang
Opo.
natawa ka?
I think I'm like that po talaga. in
Talaga.
real life.
Pag
Parang,
kailangan ka nila, you're just one call away.
parang siguro because of what I've went through, siguro naintindihan ko yung kalagayan ng when you don't have anything, and if you have something naman to give, why not help, di ba? Kahit konti.
Dumating ka ba sa point in your life na parang I feel like, okay, where is this going to take me? Saan ako dadali ng career ko? Saan ako dadali ng music ko? Parang wala akong malapitan. And then someone called you. And then someone reached out to you and told you na parang, oh, Bugoy, ito. This is the way. This is the path.
Ang
Pang
galing,
Miss
ah.
Universe na
Pang Miss
question
Universe
yan.
po.
Yes.
Ang lalim ng tanong. Pardon.
Thank you for that wonderful question.
So, pag-ulit nga po yung question niyo po, medyo po.
Dumating ka ba sa point na parang hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta, parang hindi mo alam kung saan ka dadali ng career mo, and then, people suddenly came into your life and showed you the right path, the right direction?
Yes po. May times na parang, ito pa ba para sa akin? And then, marami po akong na-meet na mga tao nag-show sa akin na I'm actually very blessed and grateful na I share my music sa lahat ng tao.
Oo nga, sabi mo nga kanina, na-mention mo na akala mo after Pinoy Dream Academy, akala mo balik probinsya na no?
So parang yun po, parang grateful lang po ako dun sa mga taong nakapalibot sa akin na sila yung nag-isa din sa nagbigay sa akin ng courage na kahit nga hindi naman naging mahirap, as long as nandyan din sila naniniwala, then why not ako sa sarili ko maniwala na kaya? And I think that we are all designed to be successful kasi yun yung gusto ni God for us.
Yeah. This was your path. This was your, kumbaga parang destination mo talaga. Dito ka
Opo.
talaga dinala ng universe.
And I do believe naman na everything is temporary. So why not extend some hand, di ba?
Oo.
And so thank you sa mga kaibigan ko, mga taong nakahalubilo ko po na nagbigay sa akin ng courage to keep going kahit hindi naman naging madali.
And here you are, di ba? Performing live here sa Mellow Live. And that song, One Call Away, it's part of your new album called Anthems. Kaka-release lang this year,
Opo.
correct? Di ba? Oy, congratulations.
Thank you.
That was your first album in a long time, di ba?
After 7 years
7
po.
years. That's a long hiatus, kumbaga. And it's also part of your independent chapter because I've been reading PR about your album, and it feels like this is a more personal sound for you. Why did anthems have to happen now? Bakit mo na feel na parang okay, this is the year na magka-comeback album ako?
Yung anthems po kasi talaga it represents ng mga experience ko at pinagdaanan ko, and I think I'm ready na ikwento ko sa kanila yung story ko, and I would like to bring them on my journey na ako pa rin yung bugoy na sinuportahan nila, and I wanna take them sa growth ko na samahan ulit nila ako, kaya ito pong nagawang anthems.
And when you were planning this album, ito talaga yung gusto mong mangyari with the album, a more personal
Yes.
sound, and kumbaga parang exposing, not really exposing, but more like sharing your real self with your listeners and with your fans.
Yes po. Kasi parang itong album na to para mas makilala nila ako, and at the same time po maybe itong album na to magbigay din sa kanila ng healing and encouragement na to keep going kahit hindi man nga naging madali ang mga bagay-bagay, as long as you have faith and hindi ka ma-discourage and you keep going. Kaya ito, in-offer ko yung album po kasi it's also based on my own experience
Yeah.
na season, kaya siguro po natagalan din kasi 'di ba iba-iba talaga yung level ng and timeline din ng experience na pagdadaanan natin,
That's so true.
and doon lang natin siya talaga masasabi kung ano talagang klaseng experience yun.
Oo. That's I really like that. That's so honest. That's so open. Do you feel like now, compared to the younger Bugoy, you're more honest now as an artist?
Yes, I think so po, and less parang mas naintindihan ko na music is actually relatability.
Oo, yung
So,
nakaka-connect talaga yung
yes.
listeners mo sa iyo eh.
So ngayon
Diba?
po, ganun ako gumawa ng music na kung saan man sila mas mako-connect sa akin, magre-resonate yung music na, 'di ba, it can also like remove some of their problems or
Right.
stress. And I do believe music is one like magic or healing kasi whatever you feel, kung malungkot ka o masaya ka, just listen to music and you feel that different feeling.
So now you're choosing your songs based on what will reveal your story, what will reveal your heart, compared to songs na i-showcase yung boses mo talaga. So mas nagfo-focus ka dun sa yung kumbaga showing your real self.
Yes po. And I think para din mas malaman nila yung maintindihan nila yung music na ginagawa ko po. And I think siguro nag-graduate rin ako dun sa impressive type of singing na mas gusto ko na lang na mas ma-express ko yung kung ano man, kung cover man yan, yung interpretations ko based on my own experience sa kantang yun. And sa mga original ko naman, para mas maka-connect sila na yung pagdadaanan ko, which is pwede rin mangyari sa kanila, but at the end of the day, you're gonna make it. You're gonna be all right. You're gonna be okay.
So what is easier for you now, Bugoy? Singing perfectly, yung kailangan talagang showcase ang voice, or singing truthfully from the heart?
Both. If you can play around naman na you can still give them a good show at the same time, mas maramdaman nila yung kanta, why not both? If you can do it.
And we can actually witness that ourselves here on Mellow Live. I mean, those songs that you performed and will be performing, talagang grabe yung showcase ng boses. At saka, you can really feel the emotion, diba? The feeling nung kanta, ramdam mo talaga. Kaya nagko-connect ka so easily with your listeners, with your fans, diba?
Thank
oh my
you.
gosh, Bugoy Drilon. Kinilig ako na you're here. But kanina you mentioned, doing covers, diba? And you have done collaborations with Music Travel Love. you did covers with them like Nothing's Gonna Change My Love for You. Super, super patok sa Pinoy yung kantang yon. That is like, memorize nila yung number niyan sa videoke. Diba? Yung Nothing's Gonna Change My Love for You. And you were also part of a trio before, yung Budakel, with Daryl Ong and Michael Pangilinan. Diba? When you're making covers, anong secret doon as to how to make it sound na parang hindi mo lang kinokopya yung original?
Siguro po una pakinggan ko muna yung areglo, yung arrangement ng kanta. At the same time, aralin ko din yung kaduet ko, kung ano yung type of singing nila. And kapag nalaman mo kasi yun, then doon ka magkakaroon ng balance kung ano yung the way na sing. Ano yan, pagkanta, ang ilalapat mo doon sa tunog. Katulad ng sa Budakel, alam namin kasi yung mga strength ng bawat isa, like si Michael sa melody, and then Daryl may higher octave siya, tas ako yung sa baba, gitna. Kaya alam namin kung paano trabahuin kasi alam namin yung strength namin isa't isa. And then there's no competition, parang mas gusto namin na mas maganda yung music na mailabas yung emotion. And so actually sa music travel naman, they've been tinuruan din nila ako yung paano makipag-duet, kung ano yung paano lang ilalagay mo mga ano tawag doon, mga ad-libs mo.
Yes.
So yun, marami pa rin ako nakukuha sa kanilang mga lessons.
Speaking of music travel, Love, you're part of their concert, right? Their upcoming concert.
Opo, sa 28 po yata sa New Frontier. So, thank you.
Is there a song, so you've done covers, is there a song that you still dream of recording kasi you feel na parang, this song parang, this was made for my voice?
Of course, mayroon pa rin naman po akong ganong nararamdaman ng mga kantang gusto ko talagang i-record na feeling ko.
Oh, talaga? What are some examples?
Ala. Siguro po
Alam mo yung pag Christmas, parang sample nga.
Kaya nga. Angels Brought Me Here, tapos
Uy, maganda yun.
In My Dreams.
Dapat kinanta mo yun this afternoon.
Yan yun. Feeling ko yung, lalo na yung In My Dreams na narinig ko lang siya ulit recently. Sabi ko, ang ganda naman ng kantang to.
In My Dreams, is that the Rio Speedwagon song?
Yes.
Yes. Oy, bagay yun sa'yo. Yeah.
Gusto ko siyang gantahin eh. Parang ganda lang ng ano lang yan.
Then that
chill
will
lang.
be the next song sa
Abangan
sa
natin.
list mo. Abangan natin. Total, galing ka sa recording.
Hala.
Baka yun na yung next sa repertoire mo.
Pali yata pagbigay ko ng sample ng kanta. Just kidding.
But we got Bugoy Drilon right here on Mellow Live, and he will be performing another song. Is this also part of your Anthems album?
Yes po.
It's called Habang Buhay. Once again, this is Mellow Live right here on Mellow 947 BFM. Enjoy this one.
Habang buhay ba akong maghihintay bago aminin sa sarili yan? Ayoko namang pagsisihan sa huli, at alam ko na wala namang mali, walang mali. Habang buhay ba akong maghihintay, ayoko na kasing maramdaman nakatago sa likod ng takot, sumabay sa alon at makawala sa takot na wagas. Wala naman sigurong masama sa kagustuhan kong saya at maging masaya lang naman ang tanging ninanais ko. makatago sa likod ng tako, sumabay sa agos at makawala sa takot na wagas. Wag mo na sanang ipipilit ang gusto mo na naman. Pinipilit at pinilit ang gusto mo na naman. At ikaw naman na napagbigyan sa mga gusto mong mga paraan. At alam mong ako'y di tatanggi sa'yo, hindi to tatanggi sa'yo. Alam mo na walang magagawa kahit di natutuwa. Ganun talaga siguro pag tangawag mo na sanang ipipilit ang gusto mo na naman. Pinipilit at pinilit ang gusto mo na naman. Sana'y makita mo pinagdaanan ko para ibigay sa'yo lahat ng gusto mo. Wag mo na sanang ipipilit ang gusto mo na naman. Pinipilit at pinilit ang gusto mo na naman. Sana'y makita mo pinagdaanan ko para ibigay sa'yo lahat ng gusto mo. Thank you.
Mellow Live right here on Mellow 947 BFM, and we still got Bugoy Drilon in the house. Woo!
Hello.
Ang saya ng ang
It's
saya
me
ng
again.
It's me again. Ang saya ng conversation natin, and you started our final block with Pilit Pinili.
Yes.
And off the air, pinag-uusapan natin to. Anong mas masakit? Yung hindi ka pinili and then you just accept it, or yung pinilit na piliin ka, pero pilit. Tapos magbulag-bulagan na lang tayo sa katotohanan.
I mean, for me, mas masakit yung hindi ka piliin pero tanggapin mo na lang. Masakit yon kasi hindi ka talaga pinili, di ba? Pero yung on the bright side naman, at least you have that freedom, di ba?
That's so true.
And then I do believe na there's someone na deserve mo din. Siguro hindi mo pa lang, wala pa siguro yung capacity mo to receive that kind of blessing. Kaya hindi pa siguro yung binibigay sa'yo.
And syempre dapat kung pipiliin ka, hindi pilit.
Oo,
Yeah,
dapat. Kasi
dapat voluntarily choosing you talaga.
yun,
Diba?
dun mo mababasihan kung gaano ka binavalue ng isang tao, di ba?
That's
Kung
so
hindi
true.
talaga pilit. Kung yung true love ba yung binibigay. Yung partnership ba yung binibigay.
O, di ba? May pa-love advice courtesy of Bugoy Drilon. Have you ever had a moment in your career, Bugoy, na where you had to ask yourself, pinipili ko ba talaga to or pinipilit ko lang?
Wala pa naman, pinili ko talaga, eh.
Pili mo
Oo,
talaga.
siguro
Like,
po nilagay
mm,
ko sa utak ko na, I have this kind of blessings to
mm,
change not only my life but the people that surrounds me, which is my family.
right.
Kaya talagang pinili ko talaga
And
siya.
even the songs that you chose to sing or you choose to sing, talagang they were all selected by you, like personal preferences mo talaga.
This album po, yes.
Mm-mm.
Yes po.
And that's why, it comes from the heart kasi story mo talaga
Opo.
yung nasa anthems, right? Alam mo, when we look at all the songs that you performed for us today on Mellow Live, Hilom, One Call Away, Habang Buhay, Pilit Pinili, and then later your last song, Paano na ang Puso Ko, right? That's the title. It feels like these are all different chapters of
Yeah.
your life, no? Parang,
Yes po.
pinlano mo ba talaga na ito line up mo today?
Hindi nga po eh. Parang, yun
Surprise
lang,
ka ba?
parang siguro yun na lang po napili ng kasal namin umaga din. Tapos yung boses kung kaya ba namin. Tapos, yun yung napag-desisyon na line up.
Okay, but when you listen talaga to the album, no, sa anthems, ano yung pinaka mapipick up nila na storya about you dun sa lineup of songs mo in your new album?
Siguro po yung Habang Buhay.
Mm.
And then, actually lahat naman ng kantang dun eh. So, tatlo po yung favorite ko dun. Yung Habang Buhay, tapos yung Pilit Pinili kasi yun yung pinaka-vulnerable kong feeling. And then siguro yung One Call Away.
One Call Away.
Kasi parang isa siya nag-represent kung ano yung soul ng mga taong I surround myself and that kind of soul din na makukuha mo.
So these are the songs, the titles that you mentioned. These are the songs that you feel closest to,
Yes.
no? Itong mga kanta na to. Ano naman yung kanta na parang mahirap kantahin pa rin for you until now, or something that hurts you? Siguro medyo sensitive song. Iba yung kurot sa puso when you sing it. Kasi based on your experience, based on your life story ito, diba?
Empty
So,
House, yun tama, Empty House.
why is that?
Well, yung meaning talaga nung kantang yan is, syempre when my brother nagka-diagnose, then nag-move out sila pupunta ng US. And then yung mga core friends ko din, nag-migrate din sila. So, I was all by myself pala na lang dito sa Manila. Kaya yun nabuo yung Empty House kasi parang na-realize ko na parang magbabago talaga yung panahon na yung mga dating kasama kong tao, wala na rin sila. So kaya yung Empty House na parang ang mariremain lang talaga in our life is the memories, and that
That's
memories will only tell if that memories were happy. Kaya
And
yun po talaga siguro kasi yun yung pinakaisa sa parang nag-shake sa akin, and at the same time I become closer to God na parang when alone time walang iba ka talagang kakapitan kundi siya kasi sa lahat ng sa makamundong bagay, everything is just temporary.
yeah, I was gonna say nga that you mentioned that a while ago. Everything is temporary. I think the only thing that is permanent in this world is change, diba? So everything just really changes and transitions into something else, diba? But and you, like you, for example, you have changed throughout the years, diba? From the young Bugoy when you started in 2008, diba? Until now, yung Bugoy ngayon, / Derek Ramsey. Superstar levels.
Wow.
But what has changed more through the years, Bugoy? Your voice, your heart, or the way that you tell your stories through your songs?
I think ang nagbago po talaga is the more blessings you have, the more humble you become.
Oh, that's nice.
Yun lang ang sinasabi ko sa sarili ko. Di ba po? Kasi lahat naman, sabi ko nga, temporary yung blessings, yung career and everything, but humility is forever.
That's true. And I feel like humility will really take you far. 'Di ba? Parang pag humble ka, mas lalo kang magpo-progress in your career or in whatever path that you choose to take, 'di ba? Kasi yung you're arrogant and you feel like you already know it all. But you even while talking to you, I can feel the sincerity and the humility, and through your songs you really feel that ang ganda ang ganda ni Bugoy. Kumbaga parang ang ganda ng pagkatao, 'di ba? And before we close, because you're gonna sing your last song, so we won't be able to talk about that last song anymore. But paano na ang puso ko? It has lived such a long life with your listeners and with your fans. It was released naman about 2011. Yeah, so it's ang tagal na niya, 'di ba? 2011, bilangin natin yung years, 15 years, right? And you're credited as a songwriter in
Opo,
this
ako nagsulat
project.
niyan sa
Oh,
isang cafe shop. Tapos sabi ko, ano kaya pwede maging ending ng paano na kaya?
aha.
Una kong kanta. Sabi ko, sige na nga. Naging torpe. Hindi niya sinabi yung nafe-feel niya kasi ayaw niyang masira yung friendship na nabuo. Kaya sacrifice na lang yung love
Was
just to prevent, para ma-save yung friendship.
was this based on a personal experience?
I think so.
May pa-cryptic
Opo,
answer.
I think so. I think
Okay.
so. Na minsan, okay din naman palang i-sacrifice yung love, pero hindi naman nawala yung care. And mas lalo pang mas mapapausbong yung love doon. Kasi there's no negative feeling and toxicity feeling.
Oh,
Diba?
diba? Tama yung pinili mo. Hindi mo pinilit.
Di ba?
When you sing that song now, 15 years later, kasi di ba, 2011 nga siya nagawa, do you still recognize the younger Bugoy in that song?
Yes po. Sobra. Yung the way pa rin ako magkanta dyan. Tapos yung the way ko pagsulat niyan. Minsan kasi nag-cringe din ako sa sarili kong sulat.
Sa sarili mong gawa?
Oo, may ganun akong
Okay.
feeling. Parang wait lang.
When you perform your older songs, do you sing them the same, like when you perform them now, do you sing them the same way or do you kind of reinterpret them
Reinterpret. po.
talaga? Syempre parang kasi dami na nga changes na nangyari sa'yo, ang dami na rin na experience, no? So parang you reinterpret them in the way that your life is now, parang ganon?
Opo. Parang, yun nga, sabi ko sa sarili ko na lagi ko silang dadalhin sa growth ng journey ko. And I think it started sa music itself. Kaya yan po, yung mga ginagawa kong mga interpretation ng kanta is meet old and new soul, yun po.
If paano na ang puso ko is, young Bugoy asking a painful question na paano na yung puso ko? Older Bugoy, anong isasagot mo sa younger self mo?
Wow. Your heart is gonna be okay as long as it's pa rin, nagbi-beat.
Ah,
Kasi it
that's
means,
nice
di ba,
though.
pag
That's
nagbi-beat pa
nice.
yan,
Yeah.
di magkakaroon ka ulit ng ideas, di ba? And I think doon ka magkakaroon din ng wisdom. Yun po.
Habang buhay, may pag-asa.
Di ba?
Diba?
Kapag nagbi-beat pa
Yeah.
rin yung heart mo, it means hindi pa tapos yung purpose mo.
Exactly.
Meron ka pang purpose why it's still, why your heart's still beating.
I wish we had more time to talk about life. Bugoy,
Diba?
Drilon. O, di ba? Una, pinag-usapan lang natin songs, tapos mamaya may pa-love advice
Diba?
ka. May life advice pa. Thank you so much,
Thank you rin po.
Bugoy. We are live on Facebook and on TikTok, so we have your fans listening to you. We don't really have much time to say hello to them, but thank you so much for joining us today. Anything that you want to promote? Let's promote your album,
Ayun.
stream your songs. Go ahead.
Ayan po sa lahat po, please support my latest album. It's called Anthem. Sana po masusuportahan nyo po. And yeah, sa lahat po ng mga upcoming shows ko po, please visit my accounts, Instagram, social media accounts, Bugoy Drilon. Lahat lang po at Bugoy Drilon sa lahat ng social media accounts ko.
So there you go, at Bugoy Drilon.
Yes.
Go ahead and follow him. Follow on his social, stream his songs, show him a lot of love, diba? A lot of hearts. Thank you again so much,
Thank you po.
Bugoy Drilon on Mellow Live, ladies and gentlemen. This has been Anne. Thank you guys for joining us today. Everyone on Facebook Live, on TikTok, listening to us on the radio. Thank you so much for joining us. Once again, Bugoy Drilon is going to be closing the show with his song, Paano Na Ang Puso Ko, right here on Mellow 947 BFM.
Di natatakot na di mo pansinin. Kay hirap sabihin na minamahal kita sinta, ngayong nakikitang mayroon ka ng iba. Sana'y pagbigyan, mabigyan ng pagkakataon. Ang tanong sa isip ko, nasasaktan ang puso ko. Paano na ang puso ko na umibig sa'yo, ngayong ikaw ay meron ng ibang gusto. Sana noon pa sinabi ko na minamahal kita, baka sakali pang naging tayong dalawa. Umiiyak ang puso ko, lumuluha dahil sa'yo. Kay hirap palang umibig sa katulad mo. Kay hirap sabihin na minamahal kita sinta, ngayong nakikitang may mahal ka ng iba. Sana'y pagbigyan, mabigyan ng pagkakataon. Ang tanong sa isip ko, nasasaktan ang puso ko. Paano na ang puso ko na umibig sa'yo, ngayong ikaw ay meron ng ibang gusto. Sana noon pa sinabi ko na minamahal kita, baka sakali pang naging tayong dalawa. Hanggang pangarap na lang, hanggang pangarap na lang ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Paano na ang puso ko na umibig sa'yo, ngayong ikaw ay meron ng ibang gusto. Sana noon pa sinabi ko na minamahal kita, baka sakali pang naging tayong dalawa. Thank you.